Welcome, my people. So I have to give you guys the Mavado rundown. So right now, the Mavado saga continue where Mavado is now in America doing a show, and the police in Constant Spring, where Mavado, born and raised, as his song said, is looking for him. He's wanted in questioning because there's been an uprising violence where a few people died. You know what I mean? And people, as I said, I didn't want to give an update because I want real facts of the story. I'm not gonna be one that just come on this program and talk anything. You know what I mean? I want the facts, and that's why I'm not jumping up, putting up videos, speculating, assuming for views. I rather do the news. You know what I mean? So that's why I was waiting for these things to verify and to clarify and to get the real facts. You know what I mean? Because we're not grip. You see me? So that's what's going on. Mavado is wanted. They arrested 5 members of his family, where his 16-year-old son is also included. You know what I mean? On stage of the reviews, we're going to look at it and come back.
Top stories making our e-news and reviews this week begin now.
A series of unfortunate events are currently surrounding Mavado, his family, and the community he was born. Cassava piece in Kingston. Just 1 week ago, after an altercation in the community, the artist was shot after but was unharmed. Since the incident, several members of Mavado's family have been detained for questioning, while stories of a flare-up in violence, murder, and an implemented curfew have been reported in the media. Earlier this week, the Constant Spring police sent out a call for Mavado to turn himself in for questioning. The artist, who is currently overseas, is expected to return to the island soon to heed to that call. More on this developing story in the days to come.
So people, as you can see, that's what's going on. And right now, I don't know how it's going to go where Mavado case is concerned, because this is one of the perspective that I look at it on, because Mavado is not involved, you know what I mean? But people can take things in their own hand. That's why I said Mavado has his strength, and he didn't need to do anything. So all he did was fly out, and this things is escalating, and people are saying that Mavado need to call for peace. Oh, Mavado should call for peace. Mavado cannot get himself involved in these things if he have nothing to do with it. You know what I mean? It's just that, yes, his son and his family is involved, but how can he call for peace and he didn't start a war? You know what I mean? All he has to do is go to the police, because he already did, and explain to the police what's going on, and the police are the one who need to de-escalate the situation. Mavado cannot de-escalate the situation. You know what I mean? Despite he has his name in the cassava piece. You know what I mean? But it doesn't matter, because if he has his name, this wouldn't be happening. You know what I mean? So big up to Mavado, but people, I don't really think Mavado is the one who should de-escalate this. The cops are the one, because Mavado already reported the incident. You know what I mean? So people, as I told you guys, I'm not gonna just put anything on the internet. You know what I mean? Because I want the facts. You see me? So that's why I was just waiting to upload what's going on and give you guys the facts. Peace. I'm out.
Rasta. Oh, no. No one feel our pain. The time in the pouring insane. Me I talk about the poor, the poverty and the pressure. Can't take it no more. Too much youth and stretcher. Them don't really want to see the ghetto youth them richer. So them plan to kill we out and take we out of the picture. Ghetto youth, don't be no snitcher. Get a girl just be wise and don't be no bitcher. Keep your eyes on the prize, be the star that glitter. Keep your head up, get a job, but don't want to sit here. Cause I'm not from the space and no, I'm just a visitor. And to me to the race, I run it's gonna be bitter. For the strongest of the strongest and the fitter the fitter. I was born and raised to be no quitter. I was born and raised in the ghetto for years and years enough. My people cry tears and tears enough. No food for days and days enough. I was born and raised in the ghetto for years and years enough. No food for days and days enough. My people cry tears and tears enough. They ask so I've been. I said I've never been shopping. All I see is a coffin. The walks about my body shotting. It's just the way of the system. They eradicate every victim. Just keep the fight, I'm insisting. All my beautiful people, are you listening? I was born and raised in the ghetto for years and years enough. My people cry tears and tears enough. No food for days and days enough. I was born and raised in the ghetto for years and years enough. No food for days and days enough. My people cry tears and tears enough. No one feel our pain. The pain that we're feeling. It's driving